Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise, autoappraise.com, April 20th, 2012. 800-301-3886 if you need to reach us. We're getting ready to do a test drive on a 1940 Buick Model 81C. This is a senior award winner. In excess of $385,000 has been spent restoring this car. There's another video and over 300 still photos taken of this car, showing the level of exemplary work that was done on this car. You did hear me correct on the amount of receipts, and that information can be supported through those receipts. It's a beautiful car. The other video shows magnetic adhesion all the way around it. Wonderful magnetic adhesion. Excellent. High quality frame off restoration. It's a rare treat to be doing a car, let alone a set of cars this nice. About 214 of these cars were made, is that right, George?
Yes.
About 14 of them known to exist in the registry.
240 were made, 14 are known to exist.
240?
Yeah.
240.
Yes.
And did that count, was that just the trunk backs, or was that the...
The trunk back. They made a what they call a slope back, and they only made 7 of them.
Right. This is a trunk back. This is not one of the rarer 7 produced, but still, 240 is pretty rare. Beautiful period correct restoration, of course, all the way through and through. If you know what a senior award is, then you certainly know what it takes to get there. Keys turned down, clutch in, step on the gas pedal. Off she goes. You see the battery is charging. Temperature is just around 120 or maybe 140. High idle kickdown works, holding about 50 pounds of cold oil pressure, just under 60. The gas gauge is working, and let's check it out.
I don't think the radio works.
All right, we'll find out. It's a cold day. I don't think we're going to put the top down today. That requires a bit of work.
That's the door operator there.
Oh, sure, okay. George, which way out to the main road?
Where do you want to go?
We'll just take her out to the main road. This vehicle is for sale. Again, there's another video along with 300 still photos available at autoappraise.com, or email us, cars@autoappraise.com, or call us 800-301-3886. You can get the results of all the information we've collected on about a 4.5 hour long inspection on this car. All of the chrome is done to show standards. Everything is done to show standards. Car's had about 2,400 miles put on it, so you know it's a good runner.
Here's our inspector there. The left and the left. They have turn signals too.
And the turn signals work. I think this is probably the most expensive car I've ever driven while holding the video camera, George. Not making you nervous, am I?
No.
You'll feel differently if I run into somebody, won't you?
What do you want to do? Back around?
take her a mile or two down the road, just show the onlookers that it's running good.
Take a look. Wet for dry.
It's a non-synchro first. The horn works. Oh, there's third gear.
Yeah. Nice, right?
Very nice.
You know, you can actually start it third in this car.
No, I didn't know that.
And the hell?
I gotta tell you, it's the first one I've ever driven. You've probably driven a handful of these, haven't you, George?
Pardon me?
You've probably driven a handful of these cars over the years, haven't you?
Yes, I am. Well,
Is this the nicest car you've ever had?
yeah, I would say so. Yeah. Of course, I love that Ford Convertible.
Oh, that's a beautiful car. We're going to drive that one next. Well, obviously you can see it's a great running car. We're doing about 40 miles an hour. It's a 35 mile an hour zone. I don't want to get pulled over in this baby. Wonderfully restored, very rare 1940 Buick 81C convertible, one of 14 known to exist in the registry. Jason Phillips from autoappraise.com. We're representing this car for sale for its owners. Let us know if you'd like to receive still photos and a copy of the written report on this vehicle. We got 310 inspectors nationwide doing inspections all over the country, going out looking at cars, making sure that you know what you get before you pull the trigger and cut the check. That's what it's all about. Don't buy them sight unseen, or you're just asking for trouble. Let us know if we can do an inspection for you sometime. Thanks for watching. If you like cool classic car test drive videos, we got over 240 of them on our channel on YouTube. Auto Appraise's channel, Auto Appraise 'S, that's our channel. Go there and please click on a video and subscribe. You'll get notices when we post new videos of other cool cars. Leave some favorable comments, some good feedback. Let us know what you think. Thanks a bunch. 800-301-3886. Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise.